Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're out here in West Texas. My good friend Chaz Michaels Michaels has got into a predicament here. Chaz, what seems to be the problem?
Well, she died.
She died and the starter is smoked. Is that right?
That's exactly right.
This is Le Tits Mobile.
Right now it's the frozen nipple.
Le frozen nipple. Why does everything have to be in French?
Tell them about the deer that we just got here, Brad.
No, I hadn't even got into that, folks.
Oh.
We got us a deer down. Really nice mule deer. I haven't seen it yet. They had to go do a super stalk.
That's exactly.
What's the difference between a stalk and a super stalk, Charles? I'm sorry, Chaz Michaels Michaels. What does that mean?
We're gonna skate to one song only. Lady Hump by the Black Eyed Peas. What you gonna do with all that junk inside my trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk off my lady hump, my lovely lady hump.
I'm not skating to anything with references to lady humps. I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets the
gross.
people going.
This is a manual transmission, right?
That's exactly
So let's
right.
go through the steps of what needs to be done to get this thing started.
First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna push
Speaking
the
of a
clutch in.
manual-
Push the clutch in.
You're gonna turn your key to on.
Okay.
You're gonna put it in third. You'd think first, right? But you're actually gonna put it in third.
Okay.
And you're gonna drag me out yonder.
Out yonder way.
We're gonna get going about 5-10 miles an hour. I'm gonna dump the clutch.
Dump the
I
clutch.
don't want to do it in first because I'll just lock my tires up. You follow me?
Is that right?
That's exactly right.
Okay.
I'm gonna dump the clutch and pop off, and we're gonna go on our way.
Should I bleep the part out or just keep it rolling? This is a family channel.
Probably want to bleep it out.
Hey Nathan, is that QU?
Yes, it is.
All right, here we go. Eric, come on. Well, Eric, let me move forward so you can get out.
I can get out.
You want me to move? You want me to move forward, Brad?
I mean, you can. Why don't you give the starter a
You
try?
want to hammer this up against Larry's Jeep? Put a nice dent in it.
Put a nice crease in it. All right, so we got our, oh, by the way, anybody that doesn't know, this is the Blood Wagon. She's a fine piece of machinery. Let's get the shackle out and the tow strap. Here.
Hold on. Oh yeah, we can go ahead and put that on.
By the way, folks, it did snow today, which is, you know, it's not normal for it to snow. It's not normal for it to snow in West Texas. Second time I've been here in the last 4 years, and it snowed. We got about 6-8 inches on the ground here. It's looking really good. Beautiful, beautiful time of year. Just throw that on the bar or up on the spare tire or something, huh? There we go.
So fast.
It was white chocolate. Here we go. Game time.
And that's how we do it, folks. Ain't that right, Nathan?
Yes, it is, Fred.
Easy peasy. Tell me again the process.
Turn the key, put it in third, pull on it, dump the clutch. Ahí está.
Ahí está. Ahí estamos, mochavo. Well, it worked, and it's running now, so.
I don't know how it does.
I don't know either. I really don't. Beautiful day out here, isn't it, Charles?
Sure enough.
Yeah.
We'll have to cut this one and take it out of service.
Again. Is it frayed? It's frayed a little bit. I'll have to get AH back to buy me a new strap. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. If you're ever in a bind and you have to pull start your Jeep or any type of standard transmission vehicle, this would be the best method for you to go with. And it's also kind of fun. Right, Eric?
Yes, sir.
If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife, the kitties, do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll check you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.